Hey guys, good morning. So today we're doing a couple of things. I just decided to do an intro because we're gonna go ahead and get our baby shower venue ready. I don't intend for it to be a long video. I just want to document the process to show you the before and after and the process of getting the place set up. We are doing the baby shower at home. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing. We're having a DIY at-home baby shower. I just wanted to document to show you what the process is going to be like. So come along with me. Let's go get our baby shower venue ready. All right, guys, so this is the space that we're working with. A lot of the space is bare bones, but this is the main sitting area that we're transforming as well. And then over here is the dining room. As you can see, all it has is the table and chairs. And then the main area that we initially thought where a lot of the activities would take place is this den slash kitchen area. As you can see, it's pretty much empty except for the chairs that we put in, but it's usually an empty space, which is right next to the kitchen. And so, as you can see, the kitchen is here. So this was where we intended for a lot of the events and games and stuff to happen. That was the initial thought. So here we are, my sister and I, my very pregnant self and my sisters and I, we're now wiping down the tables and chairs. Those cost us nothing because I did rent them from our church. They had them in storage, so we needed to clean them up. We used a solution of bleach and water to wipe these down because they were in storage. Some of them were moldy, some were very dusty. So of course, if we're going to use them, we have to clean them. And we did the setup and cleaning over the span of 2 days. But yes, although my sisters planned it and sister-in-law, I definitely chipped in here and there. So next up, we had the layout of the tables. And so, like I said, initially our thought was that this was going to be the area where a lot of the event was happening. So up by the fireplace, we intended to put the arch along with my chair for sitting, for taking pictures and stuff. So hence why we had the tables initially set the way they're now set. And y'all, the tablecloth, we used curtains, okay? We already had the curtains. They were the perfect length and size to fully cover the table and have some hanging over because we use 6-foot tables. So I had the curtains. I think I probably picked up just a couple more, which you'll see in the next clip, which were yellow. But these brown ones I already had. I used that as our tablecloth. Save money where you can because it's not going to matter. People are not going to know unless you really tell them. But here I was discussing with my sister that I think we should have actually turned the table horizontally so that we could create more space. And as you can see here in the next clip, this is what we actually did. We did turn the tables horizontally to create more space. Here we have some things happening, okay? We're actually setting up here. The chair covers we sourced, my sister got those from Temu. It came in a 50 pack. I don't remember how much she bought it for, but a lot of the decorations we got were sourced from Temu with a few from Amazon, like balloons, some of the flower wall decorations you will see later. My sister got that from Temu as well. That tea party sign up above the fireplace was from Temu.
We need to figure out how much we have, and then we're gonna have to make up the rest and figure. I don't know where we get it. What?
Plates. Sorry, not everybody's gonna have the same experience.
I mean,
Plates. What are the plates?
all right, guys.
I counted all of them.
I think we got a few here. There is
No plates.
I have these. They look good. That will work.
Good.
But
These are nice.
These are tea party.
Yeah, these are cute.
So as you heard, our theme was a tea party. A lot of our plates and stuff, my sister had some. I had a few, but we did pick up a couple more from a local thrift store that cost us less than $100. So let's get into the transformation. themed our home for our DIY baby shower. I hope you got a few ideas and inspiration from this video if you're on your journey to doing your own baby shower at home. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.